This lesson is a practical roadmap for construction workers in New York. We will separate OSHA 30, the New York City Site Safety Training Card, and GPRO Sustainability Credentials so you know what each one is for. In New York City, training requirements depend on the job site and your role. If the site requires a construction superintendent, site safety coordinator, or site safety manager, workers and supervisors must be ready to show the right SST card. OSHA 30 is a broad construction safety course. It helps workers recognize hazards and understand common controls. But in New York City, OSHA 30 by itself is usually part of a larger site safety training pathway. For many NYC construction and demolition workers, the key job site proof is the SST Worker Card. The Worker Card is based on 40 total hours, commonly OSHA 30 plus additional city-specific safety training from a DOB-registered provider. Supervisors have a higher training threshold. Construction superintendents, site safety managers, site safety coordinators, and designated competent persons may need a supervisor SST card showing 62 hours of training. As of 2026, New York City has added mental health and wellness topics to site safety training. This reflects a broader view of construction safety, including suicide risk prevention and alcohol or substance misuse awareness. SST cards are valid for 5 years from the date they are issued. Do not wait until the card expires. An expired card cannot be used on a job site during the grace period, so renewal planning protects your work access. GPRO is different from OSHA and SST. It is a professional certificate program from Urban Green Council focused on sustainable, resilient, and healthy buildings. For construction teams, GPRO Construction Management is especially relevant. GPRO can be useful for construction managers, assistant superintendents, forepersons, trade leads, project engineers, coordinators, and building operations teams. It helps job site decisions connect to energy, comfort, waste, and resilience goals. A strong credential stack starts with safety. OSHA 30 builds baseline knowledge. The SST card supports NYC job site access. GPRO adds sustainability value. Then trade-specific training, licenses, and union programs deepen your role. Here is a simple action plan. Confirm the site requirement. Confirm your role. Choose a DOB-registered course provider for SST. Save every certificate and card record, and ask whether GPRO matches your current or next job role. The takeaway is simple. OSHA 30 is a safety foundation. SST is the New York City job site card pathway. Supervisors need more training hours. GPRO is a green building credential that can help construction professionals grow into sustainable building work.